This 2025 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 243 FKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Wayland, Michigan, 49348 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.